Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your iPhone 15 Plus runs the latest iOS. This unlocks all dynamic island features. Once done, open an app or start playing music to see the island activate. Make sure notifications and background app refresh are allowed because the island depends on live system events. Now, tap or long press the island for quick controls. This is the first actionable step that moves you from setup straight into interaction with widgets and live activities. Once you can see the dynamic island, practice tapping to open quick controls and long pressing to expand live activities like timers or navigation. You'll notice some apps show persistent icons while others update with live data. That's why managing notification settings matters. Swipe left or right on the island to clear or prioritize items, and make sure to use the expanded view for media scrubbers or turn-by-turn details when available. This is the detailed execution that turns brief glance to finish. Customize which apps show live activities and notifications so the dynamic island stays relevant to you. If the island becomes unresponsive, restart your iPhone or toggle background app refresh and notifications for the affected app. That often restores real-time updates. Make sure apps are updated, and if problems persist, reinstall the specific app. If nothing works, reset network settings as a last step. This resolves many permission and delivery issues and gets the dynamic island back to normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.